Have you heard about Claude AI but feel confused about what it actually does? Let's understand Claude AI in the simplest possible way today.
Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot developed by a company called Anthropic. It works like a smart digital assistant.
It understands human language, answers questions, and helps people complete tasks faster, just like talking with an intelligent helper. Claude can write articles, explain study topics, generate creative ideas, help with coding, and summarize large documents quickly.
Many people prefer Claude AI because it gives detailed answers, understands long content, and focuses strongly on responsible AI behavior. Using Claude AI is very simple. First, open the official website called Claude.ai using your internet browser.
After opening the website, create your account using your email or Google login, and you are ready to begin using it.
Once logged in, type your question or task inside the chat box, and Claude instantly generates helpful responses for you.
Students can use Claude AI to understand difficult subjects, simplify lessons, or summarize large study materials quickly. Content creators can generate video scripts, blog ideas, captions, and creative story concepts within seconds using Claude AI.
Claude AI is designed with strong safety rules. The developers focus on preventing harmful or misleading information generation.
Still, never share personal passwords, financial details, or confidential documents with any AI tool, including Claude AI.
Claude AI offers both free and paid plans. Beginners usually start with the free version, which is useful for daily tasks.
Students, professionals, programmers, researchers, and creators can all use Claude AI to improve productivity and save time.
Claude AI is a powerful assistant for learning, creativity, and work efficiency. But always remember,
AI supports humans, not replaces them.
If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you use the most. Stay tuned for more tech guides.